Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows 11 startup, black screen, boot loop, infinite loading, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to disconnect peripherals like printers, scanners, cameras. Why? Because these peripherals push their own drivers to the computer, and this will interfere with the existing drivers of the computer. So you need to disconnect these peripherals. The next solution is to update drivers in Windows. And how would you do that? Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Now go to the Windows Update tab and select Advanced Options in the right pane. Select Optional Updates and install all the optional updates available. Then return to the Windows Update page and click on Check for Updates in the right pane. The next solution is a system restore. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on Open System Restore. Choose a good restore point. Next. Choose a good restore point. Next. And finally finish. And then click on Yes. The last solution is to reset Windows. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Now go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. Select Recovery in the right pane. Select Reset PC. Remove everything. And then finally select Cloud Download. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.